I don't know how the formula comes.
Okay, wait, let me see. Oh, this is a fixed formula. Okay, so let me share my screen with you.
Yes.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so basically, what you want is the distance formula. That means, okay, given a xy coordinate, okay, given xy coordinate, okay, given any 2 points. So let's say I take this point and this point. So this point here is x1 and y1, correct? This point here is x2 and y2. Okay, so if I want to find the distance between any 2 points, okay, so imagine basically simply put, this is actually Pythagoras theorem. Okay, why? Because if I look at it, this is actually a right angle triangle, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so if this is a right angle triangle, now what is the x value over here? This x value over here is actually x2, correct?
Yeah.
Correct. That means the distance, so this x value over here is x1, correct?
Yeah.
Similarly, over here the y value here is y1, the y value over here is
Y2.
y2, correct? So this distance here is what?
Yeah.
x2 minus x1, correct?
Yes. Yeah.
This distance here is what? y2 minus
Y2 minus
y1, correct?
Yeah.
Correct. And what does Pythagoras theorem tell us?
A square plus B square.
A square plus b square square root, correct?
I fell on.
Correct, that is Pythagoras theorem, correct?
Okay.
Yeah.
So the same thing applies here. That means the distance here from this point A, if I call this A and I call this B, the distance here from A to B is actually this x2 minus x1 square, which is your A, correct?
Yeah.
Plus y2 minus y1 square, which is your this B over here, correct?
Yeah.
And this whole thing?
So basically Pythagoras theorem to solve.
Correct. Only thing is, in a coordinate system, they don't explicitly give you A and B, they give you the coordinate over here and they give you the coordinate over here, correct?
How can I love Jesus and give my life?
I never explicitly say what is A and B, but A and B in essence is actually the distance of the right angle triangle that you form between these 2 points here.
So the question 11.
Okay, so let me so this is question 11. So let me quickly write down the question. The vertices of triangle PQR are such that P is 1 and 3, Q is 5 and 4, and R is 5 and 15, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
And they say find the length of the perpendicular from Q to PR. Okay, so let's see how to do this. So let me just draw the axis first. So this is X, this is Y. Okay, so let's label the points. So P is 1 and 3, so this is 1, so maybe this is 3. Okay, so this is P. Okay, Q is 5 and 4, so this is 5, 2, 3, 4, so somewhere around here, 5 and 4. So this is This is your Q, correct? And R is 5 and 15. So R is 5, that means it's around here somewhere, correct? That means it's much higher up here, correct? So R is going to be here, 5 and 15, correct? Because for Q and R, the X value is the same, correct? So Q is here, R is just above Q, but it's much higher, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's draw the triangle first. So the triangle looks like this.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, it looks something like this, correct? And they ask you to find the length of the perpendicular from Q to PR. That means they're asking you to find, well, they're asking you to find this length here.
So they're asking us to find the parameter.
Huh? No, they're asking you to find the length of the perpendicular. That means if I were to draw a perpendicular line from Q to PR, this is PR, correct? This side is PR, and I want to find the length of the perpendicular from Q to PR. Okay, so that is what I'm supposed to find. Okay?
Oh, okay.
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 Okay, so how do I go about doing this? How do I go about doing this? Okay, so in order to do this, there is a two-step process. Okay, so what do we know about area of triangle?
Are you upset when you can't access your favorite apps?